Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio. Today I thought I would just flip through this book. I guess I'd call it a lap book. My friend had me make for someone that was getting married for her bridal shower. She wanted a full-size page for each month of the year. So I've got 12 full-size pages, not individual, like one side counts as one page. And I think I actually end up with more than that. But it was so much... I love how it turned out. Not my colors, not my patterns, but she picked them out. And I made, what do you call those? Journaling cards and pockets for every month so that there was somewhere to write, and then they can put pictures wherever. Yeah, that's the plan anyway. I just loved how it turned out, and I wanted to share it so you guys could see it, and so that I could go back and look at it because I don't have it anymore. I didn't do any inking. I think I inked one page, but it was done in a really short span of time, so I didn't have time to really get into the details and ink it up. And my friend's not really into the grunge, shabby chic, junk journal-y type thing, which I'd really like to repeat this in a junk journal style. I think that would be a lot of fun. If you'd be interested in seeing how this is made, maybe I could make another one and show it, but just let me know. I think there's a few things I would tweak. But I like this part here where you've got the flip up, and then the flip down, and then flip left and right. Trying to show everything, because I have... And another thing, I have full-size flip-ups and downs in some areas, and that's a little too big, I think. I like the half-size flips like this page is. And then I put a little folio at the end where you can put memorabilia. So, anyways, let me know if you liked this. Basically, it was for me to remember what I did. If you liked it, let me know. Leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.